Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wildlife is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovering Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West. Adventurous kids, learning and fun. Adventurous kids!
Today I'm going to tell you about sponges. Sponges are unusual animals that live at the bottom of oceans and other bodies of water. It is a simple animal with many cells, but no mouth, muscles, heart, or brain. For a long time, people thought sponges were plants, but today, scientists classify sponges as animals. Like most animals, sponges eat their food. They cannot manufacture their own food as do plants. Sponges rank amongst the oldest kinds of animals. Fossils have been found of marine sponges that lived more than 500 million years ago. Sponges are sessile. They cannot move from place to place the way most animals can. A sponge is an animal that goes in one spot like most plants do. A few sponges can change their position. They can move at speeds of between 1 millimeter and 4 millimeters a day. There are nearly 5,000 different species or kinds of sponge. Sponges can be flat like spreading moss. They can look like trees with branching arms. Some are small as a bean, while others are as tall as a person. Sponges can be smooth and mushy, or they can be rough, hard, and prickly. Some are dull and drab, but others are brightly colored. Marine sponges range in color from bright yellow, orange, or purple to gray or brown. Sponges of the same species may be of many different colors. Most freshwater sponges are green, purple, or gray. The smallest sponges measure less than 1 inch in diameter. The largest grow to more than 4 feet in diameter. The sponge's body is a soft mass of cells supported by a skeleton. The bodies have many small pores or holes and a large opening like a mouth. Water full of food, plankton, oxygen, and other goodies constantly flow through the pores in the sponge's bodies. The sponges filter what they need to survive right out of the water. This is called filter feeding. The water then flows out through the large opening. There are 3 main classes of sponges. The difference between these kinds is in how their skeleton is made. Mammal sponges is a class that contains most of the sponges. The sponges in this class make their skeleton from spongin. Spongin is a special protein. Although large sponges are in this order. Only sponges use calcium carbonate to make the skeleton. They are usually very small, only 3 to 4 inches in height. Of the about 15,000 sponges known, about 400 are bony sponges. Glass sponges use silicon dioxide to make their skeletons. Most of these live very deep in the ocean. There are about 500 different kinds of glass sponges and 17 different families. These sponges make for about 7% of all known sponges. Sponges can deter predators by releasing a chemically active compound that can contain toxins and also affect organisms competing with them. Animals that eat sponges rarely eat a lot of the same sponge toxin, but they usually move around smorgasbording, so they will not take up too much of the same toxin. Sponges are useful to people. People collect sponges and then dry, clean, and trim them. The fleshy parts are thrown away, and only the skeleton is used. Ancient Greeks and Romans used sponges to pad, wore helmets and armor. People still use sponges for bathing, mopping, and painting. However, most of the sponges used today do not come from animals. They are products made in factories. Thanks for watching this Adventurous Kids episode.
What did you learn today?
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous Kids!
What was the most interesting fact?
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous Kids!